Morning all. Today we'll discuss about data cleaning and preparation. So what do you mean by data cleaning? Data cleaning, also known as data cleansing or data pre-processing, is a crucial step in the data science pipeline that involves identifying and correcting or removing errors, inconsistencies and inaccuracies in the data to improve its quality and usability. So that means whenever you want to process the data, we need to feed in only the data which is clean. That means it should not have any errors, or it should not have any inconsistencies or any missing values, because data cleansing is a process which is very essential or crucial, because raw data is often noisy, incomplete and inconsistent, which can negatively impact the accuracy and reliability of the insights derived from it. So by cleaning the data, data scientists can improve its quality and usability, making it more suitable for analysis and modeling. So this can lead to more accurate and reliable results, ultimately improving the overall value of the data science project. So these are the data cleaning techniques, like removing the duplicates, standardize, capitalization, detect and remove outliers, handle missing values, remove irrelevant data, convert it to data type. And these are some of the most popular data cleaning techniques. When we do all these things, for example, when you have to remove the duplicates, so duplicates exist in the records data set, you have to check whether there are any duplicates. There are some techniques that are used for checking the duplicates and whether the duplicates are removed or not. For example, whether the outliers are there. Using some visualization tools, we can able to check whether there are some outliers, and if so, then we can able to detect. So if it is detected, we use some techniques to remove it. Okay, the same way we will also handle missing values and irrelevant data as well. Now, when we do all these things, so what happens? So why data cleaning is important? So this is going to give us some few benefits, something like improved decision making. So data cleaning helps avoid errors that can lead to poor decision and better efficiency. Clean data helps you analyze data more effectively, which can improve your decision making process. Increased revenue. Clean data can help boost revenue and increase earnings. Then better productivity. Data cleaning can help increase overall productivity. Compliance. Data cleaning helps ensure that your data is always correct and free of duplicates, which can help you meet your documentation obligations. And reduce cost. Data cleaning can help reduce data storage costs by eliminating unnecessary data and reduce duplication. And then finally, customer relationship management. Clean data is essential for providing accurate responses to customer questions and requests. So we all know these are the benefits we have inferred. So data cleaning is a crucial step in the data science process that can lead to numerous benefits, whatever we have seen in the above. So next is data preparation. So data preparation is the process of making raw data ready for after processing and analysis. The key methods are to collect data, clean the data, and label raw data in a format suitable for machine learning algorithms, followed by data exploration and visualization. So how you are going to prepare your data so that the model can able to process and give us the required results. The process of cleaning and combining raw data before using it for machine learning and business analysis is known as data preparation, or sometimes it is called as pre-processing. But it may not be the most attractive of duties. Careful data preparation is essential to the success of data analytics. So clear and important ideas from raw data require careful validation, cleaning, and an addition. Any business any business analysis or model created will only be a strong and validating as they are as the very first information preparation. So these are some of the data preparation techniques like data discretization, data integration, data transformation, and finally data reduction. So these are the four important techniques that we need to see for data preparation. So we'll see one by one. So data acquisition, or data discretization. So data discretization is collecting the necessary data from just you are going to collect it from various sources, and you have to categorize into set of values. So that is called as discretization. Then data integration. So like for example, you have a set of data, or it maybe you have seen in databases there are some different tables that are there, but sometimes we need to integrate these tables and we collect the data. That is what integration is. So if data is collected from multiple sources, it needs to be integrated into a unified format. Then comes the data transmission. So you are going to transform the data to a suitable format so that the machine learning algorithms can able to use it, like normalization, standardization, or feature engineering. Then data reduction. Some models cannot process huge data. So what it is going to do is, if the data set is too large, it may need to reduce it may need to be reduced using techniques like dimensionality reduction or sampling. Then we even some data splitting also we used to do. So in summary, data preparation is a crucial step in the machine learning pipeline that involves collecting, cleaning, integrating, transforming, reducing to make it suitable for training and evaluation of machine learning models. So why this data preparation is important? So data preparation gives us these benefits. Data preparation helps to reduce errors and inconsistencies that can occur when data is collected from different sources and formats, which lead to more accurate models and better decision making. And data preparation makes process data more accessible to users. And data analysis, data preparation can help to make data analysis more efficient and lead to better insights. So whenever we have our data prepared properly, it is going to help to increase the confidence and understanding of the data being used, which can lead to better questions and more precise analysis. Finally, when we have a quality data, the decision making will be good. That is, data preparation can help to establish a strong foundation for making informed decisions and achieving better results. Thank you.